Like the time when Boomer farted.
Vegeta's key is quite versatile and not limited to these four attacks. He is never without a weapon. But wait, there's more! That's right, Vegeta can reach the legendary status of Super Saiyan, a near indestructible form which increases his power output by 500%. And he can
What?
take his form to the next level for yet another 500% increase.
Oh
That's
my
a lot of
god.
power and mass. The Super Saiyan form is sustained through Vegeta's remaining energy. Also, despite reaching the level of Super Saiyan 4, he was only able to do so with Bulma's Flux Wave machine and cannot do so naturally. In a death battle, we don't allow help from spouses. Vegeta is cocky, arrogant, and proud. He seeks to be the best and is willing to fight the best to do so, even allowing his opponents to reach power levels much greater than his own. Well, this has led to him dying twice so far. He's still around somehow, kicking ass and being a dick. I am a Super Saiyan! And you can burn in hell!
Mean.
Built by Professor Gerald Robotics with alien DNA, Shadow the Hedgehog was created to be the ultimate life form. Despite
Like
being
me.
a powerful living weapon, Shadow's initial purpose was to provide genes capable of curing the deathly ill, specifically Gerald's granddaughter Maria. But before Shadow could be shared with the world, tragedy struck. This Shadow went crazy, tried to destroy the Earth for revenge, but he ended up saving the day instead. Though people are still getting sick on Earth, so I guess he kind of forgot about that whole living cure thing, huh?
Oh
Shadow
my
can move
god.
at hypersonic speeds and survive underwater and in space. He's
Really?
even dumb enough to survive a fall to the Earth from the moon, and that's one long-ass fall. Well, it wasn't exactly the moon, but Shadow survived a fall of about 200,000 miles. By the time he hit the ground, he was falling at a rate of over 6 billion feet per second. I feel sorry for whatever was around when he landed. Some guy just walking along and, oh my god! Right, Shadow possesses a natural link to the Chaos Force, a never-ending pool of unbelievable energy. He can fire several different energy-based projectiles like Chaos Spears and Beams, but his most powerful attack is Chaos Blast, a huge explosion which annihilates everything around him in seconds. He can also manipulate time and space with Chaos Control, though depending on the situation, using this technique to its fullest takes time and is impractical in combat. Also, Shadow wears two inhibitor rings, which restrict his access to the Chaos Force to maintain control.
Like?
With them, his power increases immensely, but is somewhat uncontrollable and quickly tires him out. His Chaos power also increases depending on the number of Chaos Emeralds he has. And when he gets 7 of them, he goes super. Super Shadow is the pinnacle of his powers, receiving a 1000% increase. He can fly, move
Oh
near
my
8 feet high,
god.
and is totally invincible. Despite
Wait,
this, Shadow can no longer get a
If
full blast
Vegeta
of
gives
energy. But
200 and
considering
he
he's so
can go into
big,
Super
holding
Saiyan
on to
2,
him is a
that
long
means that
time explosion.
5,000 take that Shadow.
I'm full of surprises. All right, the combatants are set. Let's end this debate once and for all. Forward to listening
Vegeta!
books. An
Vegeta!
audiobook from audible.com.
Vegeta!
People who are too lazy to read or are blind. But that's why I get them. Audible.com is the leading provider of downloadable audiobooks with over 75,000 titles in every
And
genre and
really, you should
language.
go and check
Each can be
that
downloaded
thing
to
out.
your MP3 player
You
or
just
back
put
to
your
your
email,
phone
then it's
anywhere.
finished.
It's like TV for just your ears. Go to audiblepodcast.com/death
Look,
battle
they
to get
read
a
you the
free
book,
audiobook
and you
download.
just sit
Or you
down,
can sign
relax,
up
eating your
today and
coffee.
argue it's free. But
Yeah, I
now
said
it's
eating your
time for
coffee.
Death
Is
Battle!
that a book? Super slow. Look, I'm going to let you watch your death battle.
Knew I sensed an extraordinary power around here. Well, that certainly sounds like it. Who and what are you? I am Shadow the Hedgehog, the ultimate life form. Ultimate life form? A weird-looking rat is an ultimate life form? That's a laugh. Word of advice, freak. You're a little on the short side to try to be pleasant. Funny. I was going to say the same thing about you. You just sealed your fate, fool. Fight! Atomic gun! Fire! Pathetic. Before you die, let me show you a true ultimate life form.
Ah! Yes, I turn into a Super Saiyan.
Let yourself experience fear.
My S does.
You have no idea who you're dealing with? What's this?
Really, what's with those guys in yellow?
Wow, what a ripoff.
I know, right? boog, 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 boog.
Where'd he go? Right behind. Get here. That was easier than I thought. I guess I'm better. Cheap trick teleporting me underwater. Coward, cut the act and give up already. You're nothing compared to me. God damn it. Playtime's over, right?
What? He's pushing the moon down. What kind of power is that?
Say,
Exactly.
chaos control.
What the fuck?
Yes, I did it. Congrats, Furball. It's time to end this. Chaos blast. Uh-oh. Sayonara.
Ouch.
Somebody call Peter. We're down ahead.
Oh my goodness. Did you see that? So one day I'll be Vegeta. You'll see me. You will see me.
Time, he can take one hell of a beat and lasted long enough for Shadow to turn back to normal, giving Vegeta the opening he needed. His loud mouth certainly helped the minutes pass too. Looks like Shadow's time was up. The winner is Vegeta. Next time on Death Battle.
Next time. Okay, you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Peace out.